Hi, welcome to Jordan vs. Life. Today we're making Ninja Stars. Stay tuned to find out how. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be drawing on this scrap piece of metal. You may remember this from the grappling hook project. I don't clean up very well, so it's just lying around. And we're going to be drawing on this. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be drawing a square and then just do triangles off of it like that. To get a decent shape and size, make sure all corners are even, I'm using a measuring tape and a Sharpie. Then the hard part. Alright, so for my design I've done a 1 inch by 1 inch square, and with the spikes being 1 inch each way. So now, let's take this over to the grinder and cut this bitch out. Well, it doesn't look perfect. Looks a little off center, but we can go hit that up with the grinder. It'll be good to go. And presto, now it's all cleaned up and looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and put a bevel on it. Now it's finally done. Came out a little messed up at the top over here, but you know, whatever. It still works. Better than yours. So now let me show you me having fun by throwing it. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Jordan vs. Life. If you like this video, hit that like button. Also, if you like this type of content, don't forget that subscribe button. Right down there. Right down there. I mean, it's right there. Pretty easy to get to. Also, leave a comment down in the comment section below. And let's talk about this week's build. I'm sorry about that. I will see you guys next week.